What's up everyone, Arif here, and today we're going to be putting together my audio setup. As you've seen over the last few videos, I took my office apart to clean it, and well, I figured with the setup that I have, you know, being 5 PCs, being interconnected, whole room, this would be a good time to actually go through the whole thing. So this might be a 1 or 2 part video series, but today we're going to be putting together my main PC audio setup. So let's get started and go through the gear and see where everything is going to get routed. Well, here's all the main computer's gear. So it's going to be on this PC over here is what we're setting it up on. We got my Alto mixer, one of my Elisa's compressors, and I say one because we actually have a second one here. My Roland VT3, and then my USB interface. Once again, this is only going for this computer here, this main one. But I'm thinking we're gonna put the mixer up top, the compressor can go here, USB interface obviously over here, and then the VT3 here, which is, without lying, that's actually the setup I had before, but it's the way it's all gonna be wired together that's gonna be different this time around. Before, the microphone used to run from here to the VT3 to the cloud, then to the mixer, to the compressor, then to the Scarlett, and that worked, but the problem was it only worked for this microphone. No other microphone connected to the system would have audio compression or would have anything of the sort with the vocal effects or all that. So I want to try and do it properly. And this is stuff you just grow with over time. You know, people will always say, well, you should have done it this way. I probably should have, and it took some time for me to get there, but I got there. So let's get started, and let's start by putting the mixer into its spot. Okay, pop that there. And we'll go through all the cabling after, because there's going to be a lot of cables, like a lot of cables. So we'll just put these over here for now. This is my adapter for my headphones, so let's put that there. Now we have this. Ooh, this thing is dirty. Let's clean that. There we go. Better, cleaner. This too. As you can see on some of these, I've turned all the volumes all the way to the left. We're going to be completely redoing the audio setup on like the gains and everything. So we're not going to carry pretty much anything over from the old setup. The compressor I do have carrying over only because I like how the setup for these knobs were, and I don't think I really want to change that. We need to hook up power to this. Where's my power brick? Oh, here it is. Run this up in the back. At least it's not stressing the cable too bad. And then I'm gonna put this here. Okay. Just gonna elevate it a little bit so that way you got some ventilation going. What's this? Headphones. I can finally take away this poor person microphone.
Poor. Poor. Poor.
Like, my God. Cannot believe I had to work off of a Yeti Nano for 2 weeks. That is terrible. We'll put this here for now. And then VT3 can come here. Pop that. And then this 2i2 goes here. There are all the components that we need. Now we need to wire it all together. Let's start with the XLRs. Move this over here. So in the XLR, this will run to, my God, how did this mic stand get so, how did this mic shock mount get so dirty? Holy. But let's clean that really quick. Much better. Now this is going to run through to here. And we're gonna run the cable up to this cloud lifter. Sorry. So run that up to the cloud lifter, run the cable to the back here. We can put it on that nail for now, on that screw. And then we should have another XLR. I feel like I have a shorter one of these. I feel like I have a shorter one. Let's find out. Do I have a shorter cable? Are you shorter? Oh, you're a Y cable. You don't do me any good. Are you shorter? Oh, you're that same Y cable. God damn it. Let's see. That's way too long. How about you? Are you short? Oh, here, are you short? Nope, you're not short. Okay. We're just gonna have to roll with a 1,000,000-foot cable. So this will go into here. And then that will go into this side. Perfect. And I guess we'll just put this here for now. There's that. Now from the microphone is powered. Now from there, we have to run from the aux send. Do I want cleaner sound or do I want warmer sound? If I want cleaner sound, I go to the compressor and then to the VFX. But if I want warmer sound, I go from the VFX to the compressor. I don't know which one I want. Let's see. What would be the best way to go? I feel like it'd be better to run to the VT3 than to the audio compressor. Kind of in this, before I used to run from the VT3 to the mixer to the compressor, then to the Scarlett. I feel like going in that same vein actually worked really well before, and we're gonna continue with that. So let's take this, and I get all my cables from primecables.ca. Really, really good prices, like crazy good prices. Come on. So we're gonna run this from the mic in to run it up and back. Run it up and back. And around. So this should be the, which is the aux send? Oh, this is aux send. Okay. Aux send. Now we need a TRS cable. And the TRS is to run from the VT3 mono channel. Is this gonna reach? This might not reach. Even then it'd be really tight. And I don't want to run it that way. Well, let's just try it. Let's just try it. Run this up the back. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm super wrong. So that runs into the input. And then we need another Y cable for the output, run up and into here. So now in theory, everything should have like VFX on it now. Any microphones I attach should all have VFX. So that's always good. Let's put that there. Okay, there's that. Now, in the final stage, we have to run TRS to the Scarlett. These belong over here. So let's go get 2 TRS cables. Wow, these are long. Do I have shorter ones? That works. 1 and 2. So running from... Ooh, magic trick. Let's run 1, 2, and run these along the back wall. Okay. Run them underneath. And boom. 1, 2. And there we go. Make sure let's power everything on. Make sure it all goes. Okay. We have power. I guess the next thing is to tune it. We have power, boys. Now the next thing to do is tune it, which I will do in another video. So if you like this video, if you like, you know, content like this, the more DIY or I guess setup kind of things, hey, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I will do a video next on how I tune this particular system. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye.